Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. And today is 18th November 2020 and the day is Wednesday. Today we are going to begin our classes with English subject. So class, in English we have completed all the sounds, all the vowels and learned a lot of words related to these sounds. Like the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. We were having these 5 vowels in our alphabetical series and one by one we have learnt about different sounds like A family में बहुत सारे words learn किए. Then we did E, I, O and last we have finished U sound. So in U also we have learnt around lot of different family words. So today we are going to revise them all together and write the rhyming words of this different sounds that we have learnt. The sounds are a, b, up, a, g, ug, a, m, un, a, m, a, p, up, a, tr, at, a, k, ak, a, l. Then after that we did ank and ash. So these are the different families we have learnt in U sound. So what are we going to do today? We are going to write any 3 words of these families and learn them in the manner of rhyming words. So again repeatedly one question I want to ask you. What are rhyming words? I have told you in when we did A, E, I, O. 4 families जब हमने complete करी थी, 4 sounds complete करी थी. Every time I was telling you what are rhyming words. So repeatedly, what is rhyming word? The words that end with same sound. End मतलब जिनकी last में ये same sound है, but the starting sound, the beginning sound is different. The ending sound is same. तो जिन words की ending sound same होती है, the one which ends with the same consonant or you can say same vowel sound, क्योंकि CVC, this is vowel and this is consonant, तो जिनकी ending sound same होती है, having the same vowel and consonant, they are called rhyming words. Is that clear to everyone? So now let's start writing different rhyming words of these different sounds. Understood? So the first sound that we are going to do is up. A, boo. Up sound. Can you tell me 3 words of up sound? Yes. The baby of a lion. What we call it? Cub. K, up, cub. So what we are going to do? I am going to write that here. K, up, cub. Understood? Now the next one. So now winters are approaching. Morning में हम what we are doing it? What is this? Palms को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? What are we doing? Rub. Yes, I'm rubbing it now. So again we got a word r, up, rub. So we are going to write that here. R, up, rub. Clear? Now can you tell me one more word with up sound? Some big vessel, a pot-like vessel which we have in our washrooms or you can say bathrooms, and we fill water in it or we use it for washing big clothes like bed sheets, carpets and all. What we call that? Tub. Tub. Very good. So we call it a tub. So now the 3 up sound words that we have learned is cup, rub, tub. Understood? Now moving to the next sound we have is ug sound. A, g. Ug sound words. This is a and g. Ug. Can you tell me 3 words of ug sound? As we did in up sound, koi bhi 3. Any 3 which you will remember. Yes, something. Yes. A very small insect having black dots on the red wings. What we call that? A lady bug. Bug, isn't it? We call it ladybug. So it is a b, ug, bug. Now, one is bug. Now, what you use to fill water while we are having our lunch or dinner? Mama keeps it on the table, which is having water. So, whenever we are feeling thirsty, we pour it. Jug. Yes, we call it a jug. Ug, jug. Now, one more word with ug sound. One is bug, jug, and something which we use in our washroom while taking shower and we take water from the bucket and we pour it. तो वो क्या चीज यूज करते हैं to take out water from the bucket and pour on us? What we use that? Mug. Very good. Again an ug sound word. So that is ug, mug. So the three ug sound words we have learned is bug, jug, mug. Ug, bug. Ug, jug. Ug, mug. Understood? Now the next sound we did was unsound word. Can you tell me three rhyming words with unsound? Yes? Unsound word. Any three words you remember? Yes, something which we use in burger when we are making burgers. तो हम क्या use करते हैं? What we use? Bun. And bun. So I'm going to write that here. And bun. Okay. Now what I'm doing, जब हम ऐसे कर रहे होते हैं, fast, from one place to another, from there to here. What do you do that? जब रेस लगानी होती है, so what do you do to win? Run. Yes, you all run. So I'm going to write that and run. Now, something that is shining bright in the sky. Daytime mein. What is that? And sun. Very good. So we'll write and sun. So the three unsound words are and bun, and run, and sun. Bun, run, sun. Rhyme create हुआ ना, musical sound आया. Bun, run, sun. So rhyming words are the one which are ending on the same sound. Understood? Now the next sound we have is sound. Can you tell me three words with this sound? What we bang when we play? Dum, 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 dum. What is that? Drum. Yes, it's a drum. So we'll write that. Drum. Drum. A fruit with sound which is having one seed. Soft होता है, उसका जो flesh होता है अंदर fruit का बहुत soft juicy होता है. What do you call that? Plum. So we'll write plum. Clear? Now one more word can you tell me with sound? One is drum, plum, and something which we use when we are doing any art and craft activity or paper pasting करते हैं, so we use that sticky substance. What we call it? Gum. We call it a gum. So we'll write gum. Now next we have is up sound words. So what do you call when the swing goes? ऊपर जाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? When the swing goes there and comes back, it's up. Up itself is a word, so we'll write up. Now, when Mama is making tea for your father or for herself, she stains it. वो किस में छानती है? What is that vessel called? Cup. Cup से पीते हैं ना हम लोग. So cup. One more up sound word. One is up, cup, and baby of a dog is called pup. Yes, again an up sound word. So up, pup. So the three up sound words, the rhyming words are up, cup, pup. Understood? The next sound we have is at. At. Can you tell me what are the words we have learnt? When we do like this, when we want to eat a fruit, what do? You do that pieces. So how you're doing it? We cut. Yes, cut. So the word is at, cut. Now any next word you remember with this at sound? I told you we have lot of walnuts. Yes. So walnut किसको कहते हैं? अखरोट को. So nut, isn't it? Nut, or you can say nuts. 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 Okay. A house which is made of mud, dry grasses and some wood. What do you call that? Hut. We call it a hut. Clear? Okay. Next we have is uk sound words. Can you tell me any word from this uk sound? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. So who makes this sound? Quack, quack. Duck. So the word we have learnt is duck. Duck. Now another uk sound word, can you tell me? One is duck. Which is the other word we have? What is this? What the small children do like this? Suck. Yes. Suck. Suck. And one more word. Come on, think fast. We have duck, suck, and so when you are getting ready, when you are getting dressed up for your school, so I always ask you now, put your shirt inside your shorts and trousers. So what we call it? Tuck. Tuck मतलब उसके अंदर fix कर लीजिए so that it don't come out. So the word is tuck. Tuck. Now the three uk sound words are duck, suck, tuck. Clear? Okay. Moving to the next sound, we have uf sound word. Can you tell me any words with uf sound? Yes, something again related to our dress. So whenever we are wearing shirt, we are smartly getting dressed up and we wear shirt. So what we have here? Cuff. Yes, we button it up now. So we have that cuff. Okay. What is this? When you are tired and you take a long breath. Huff. We call it huff. Now, when you are angry and you're breathing in and out, what do you call that? Puff. We call it puff. So the words that we have learnt is cuff, huff, puff. These are the three uff sound words. Clear? Next we have is ul sound. Yes? A male cow, what we call it? Ba-ul-bul. So ba-ul-bul. Now if you have a container, घर पे आपके पास कोई container है, like if I say this pen holder, इसमें कितने सारे pens हैं? So what I will call it? Full, भरा हुआ, isn't it? So I'll write that full. Okay. Now when I'm dragging something, मैं किसी को अपनी तरफ I'm pulling, किसी को खींच रहे हैं हम. So what you will call it? Pull. Yes. Push मतलब जब हम धक्का देते हैं. But when आप अपनी तरफ किसी को खींच रहे हो, you call it pull. Clear? Pull. Okay. Now the next word we have is unk sound, which is the next sound, unk. So unk, do you remember when I taught you unk sound? I told you there is a type of bed which is one over the other. What we call that? Bunk. Yes, bunk. It's a bunk bed. Now another unk sound word, something in which we keep our things, a box made of iron or aluminium, और हम उसमें अपना सारा वो सामान रखते हैं which we don't use every day. So we call it a trunk. What do you call it? Trunk. Okay. The food which is not having any healthy nutrients for our body. What type of food we call that? It's a junk food. So again, junk. Clear? Now the last sound that we did is ash. Ash sound word. So what do you do in the morning? What do you use that? What do you call it? The thing that we use to do this? Brush. Very good. So we use brush. Okay. Now when somebody came to your home and you're smiling and feeling shy. So what is that? You're smiling, but you're with that you're also feeling shy. आपको शर्म भी आ रही है. So what we call it? Blush. Yes, जब मम्मा आपकी praise करती है ना, आपको लगता है वाओ मम्मा मेरी praise कर रही है. So we call it blush. Blush. Okay. Now when you go to the washroom in morning, so there is a water tank, a small water tank attached to your toilet seat. What we call that? Flush. So we call it flush. So this is the 3 ash sound words. Clear? Let's have a quick revision of all the sounds. Up, cup, rub, tub. Then we did ug sound, bug, jug, mug. Then in un sound we did bun, run, fun. Bun, run, sun. Yes, fun is also a word. Then we have sound, drum, plum, gum. Next we did up sound. We have up, cup, pup. Then we did at sound. We did cut, nuts, hut. Then in the up sound we have learned duck, suck, tuck. Then comes the up sound. Cuff, huff, puff. Ul sound, bull, full, pull. And after that we did unk sound. We did bunk, trunk, junk. And in ash sound we have learnt brush, flush and blush. Clear? So these are the different rhyming words and the sounds of U family. U family rhyming words. What do you have to do today? You are going to write all these family words, U family words, rhyming words in your notebook. Clear? And after that you have homework in your book. आज हमने थोड़ा सा वर्क को ट्विस्ट किया. Every day you were doing your classwork in book and homework in notebook. So today ma'am is giving you classwork in your notebook, and that is you are going to write all these different sounds, U sound rhyming words in your notebook, and in book you are going to do work on page number 67, 68 and 69. So yes, I'll write it here only. So your homework is book page number 67 to 69. So how you are going to do that, I'll just tell you. Okay, I'll just tell you, see and then complete. So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook. Today we are going to write U sound rhyming words in notebook. Okay, so first is write down today's date, 18th November 2020. Clear? And please mention CW because this is your classwork. So mention CW. Now we have done lot of U family words. Up, ug, un, up, at, uck, uff, ul, unk and ush. So what we are going to do? We are going to write all these sounds rhyming words in our notebook today. So class, for homework, please open your phonic books and you have to do your homework on page number 67. Can you see here? So page number 67, mention date 18 November 2020 and write homework here. Match the picture with the words. So there are some pictures given here and words given here. आपको क्या करना है? You have to match the picture with correct word. Is that clear? Now the next page your homework will be rhyming words. Again mention date And write homework. Circle the word that does not rhyme in the set. Now as we have just done the rhyming words, तो आपको क्या करना है? Pup, cup, cop. Now these are up sound word, but one is op sound word. So you have to circle the odd one, which is not rhyming. This is how you are going to complete these all. And the last homework which you are going to do today. So write down the date, 18th November 2020, and your homework again. So paste the sticker of rhyming words and name them. You have to paste the stickers here from this page. ये देख रहे हैं आप? From here you will get all your stickers. Paste them here and write down the name. Like this is a cup, and what picture is this? Tub. So what you are going to do? Search for the picture of tub here. We got it. आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ से इसको इस तरह से peel out करना है. ठीक है? Paste it here like this and write tub. ऐसे कर्सिव लिखना है. Similarly complete all this. Understood? So repeating again, page number 67, page number 68 and page number 69 are your 3 pages for homework, and you have to write these rhyming words in notebook as your today's classwork. Clear to all? So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to complete your today's homework in book. So complete your homework, and with that you have to write all these rhyming words in your notebook as I have shown you the sounds. I have written the sounds and I have shown you the picture, so that like that only you will write the sounds on the left hand side of the margin, and after that write the words related to these sounds. Okay, so complete your work and get ready for the next class. Bye for now. Take care.